For all you fitness fanatics out there, this is a definite fitness must have. I was really excited to receive this when it came in the mail, and I was looking to replace my old weight bench. This one is super, super light and really easy to assemble. So it actually comes pre-assembled. No tools are required. I really like the orange and black look of this bench, and it fits perfectly well in my living room. I work from home, so the compact and ease of use of this was excellent to put up in my living room here. So this is on my yoga mat. I just want to show you the quality of this VENDUX bench. The material is made out of iron, the frame material, and it weighs up to about 8 kilograms. And the seat cushion is actually quite soft. I really do enjoy this bench here. So I'm going to show you the frame of it. So I am quite tiny, and I found that it supports my back really well. My favorite part about this bench is that it comes with so many different adjustable gears to meet your personalized settings. Again, I am quite tiny, and I found that is the compact part of it that I enjoy the most. I'm someone that actually just does mostly lightweight. So when I was looking for a bench, I wanted something that was more durable, more comfortable, and not too heavy for me to store away. Since I work from home, I needed something that I could just do a quick 10 to 15-minute workout sometimes. So if you fold it and store under your couch, it works just as well, or even under your computer desk like I do. The weight limit for this bench is 660 pounds, and the 9 backrest position is excellent for people who have back problems or previous injuries. I love how it is budget friendly, and it is great for people who want a customized bench for their workout. I usually just do flat bench presses and dumbbell presses, but it's also great for other types of workouts as well. I really highly recommend this product. It is really budget friendly and it suits everyone's needs. Here I am packing up for the day, and I hope this helps with your purchasing decision.